Jonni here, your premier real estate agent in the San Diego area. I have another beautiful open house, a little bit older home, 1952. It was built, but it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it is over 1,200 square feet. The lot in the back is huge. I mean, you can definitely build an ADU. So feel free to drop on by. We'll be here today, Wednesday through Friday from 3 to 5 p.m. And then we're gonna be here Saturday from 12 to 4 p.m. Please feel free to give us a call at 619-328-2959. Talk to you soon.